stretch in that big victory over New Orleans. Wall with a great move and the slam with the left hand.
He wasn't this year's dunk champion for nothing.
Quick just ain't fair.